Welcome back to Tap Tech, the channel where we keep our reviews simple, clear, and straight to the point. Today we are looking at the ROG NUC 2025, a mini PC that delivers a powerful desktop-class gaming experience in a compact package. When it comes to gaming, the ROG NUC 2025 punches far above its size. Despite its small footprint, it can handle modern AAA titles with ease. Games like Cyberpunk 2077, Assassin's Creed Mirage, and Red Dead Redemption 2 run smoothly at high settings, even in 144p or 4K depending on the configuration you choose. On models equipped with RTX 40 series GPUs, you can enjoy ray tracing and DLSS for stunning visuals without sacrificing frame rates. Fast-paced shooters like Call of Duty and Apex Legends benefit from high frame rates and low input lag, making competitive gameplay responsive and fluid. The cooling system keeps performance consistent over long gaming sessions, so you won't experience throttling even during demanding titles. This is a machine built to deliver an immersive gaming experience, whether you're on a desk at home or setting up in a small space for a LAN party. The design is classic ROG bold, sharp, and purposeful. The compact chassis features a premium, matte finish with subtle RGB lighting accents that give it a gaming personality without being over the top. It's small enough to fit easily on a desk, shelf, or even behind a monitor, making it perfect for gamers with limited space. The build quality is excellent, with a sturdy metal frame and high-quality plastic panels. Ventilation grills are carefully placed to maximize airflow, and the RGB ROG logo on the front adds a signature touch. It's designed not just to look good, but also to run cool and quiet under load. Inside, the layout is clean and efficient. Despite its size, it's upgrade-friendly, allowing you to swap RAM and storage with ease thanks to the tool-less design. This is a rare feature in mini PCs and makes the ROG NUC 2025 more future-proof than many of its competitors. Display output options are extensive. The ROG NUC 2025 supports multiple monitors, including 4K and even 8K displays through HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort. This makes it ideal for multi-monitor gaming setups, creative workstations, or streaming environments. High refresh rate monitors pair beautifully with this system, giving gamers an extra edge in responsiveness. Performance outside of gaming is equally impressive. Powered by the latest Intel Core Ultra processors or AMD Ryzen chips, along with high-speed DDR5 RAM and NVMe SSDs, this mini PC flies through productivity tasks, creative workloads, and multitasking. Video editing in 4K, rendering complex 3D models, or running multiple heavy apps at once is no problem. The cooling system, featuring heat pipes and dual high-performance fans, ensures sustained performance while keeping noise levels low in most scenarios. On the software side, Asus includes Armoury Crate, an all-in-one control hub, where you can tweak performance modes, monitor system stats, and customize RGB lighting. Switching between silent, balanced, and turbo modes is quick and intuitive, letting you adapt the PC's behavior to your needs on the fly. Since this is a desktop-class mini PC, battery life doesn't apply, but its power efficiency is still notable. It uses far less electricity than a traditional gaming tower while delivering comparable performance, making it a smart choice for gamers and creators who care about energy consumption. Audio performance depends on your connected devices. Since the ROG NUC 2025 doesn't have built-in speakers, it does, however, offer high-quality audio output with ports for headphones, microphones, and surround sound systems. This means you can pair it with your preferred gaming headset or studio monitor setup for the best possible experience. Connectivity is a strong point. It comes loaded with multiple USB-A and USB-C ports, HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort, Ethernet, and audio jacks. Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3 ensure fast, stable wireless connections. Whether for gaming, streaming, or syncing peripherals, some ports are located on the front for convenience, while others are placed at the back to keep cable clutter out of sight. In terms of price and value, The ROG NUC 2025 offers a compelling package. It's more expensive than budget gaming PCs. But when you factor in its small form factor, premium build, high performance, and upgrade potential, it's competitively priced compared to gaming laptops and desktops with similar specs. The pros are clear, outstanding gaming performance in a small form factor, excellent cooling, grade-friendly design, strong connectivity, and premium build quality. The cons are minor, but worth noting. You'll need your own peripherals. High-end configurations can be pricey, and future GPU upgrades may be more limited compared to a full desktop. In the final verdict, the ROG NUC 2025 is a powerhouse in disguise. It delivers the kind of gaming and creative performance you'd expect from a much larger machine, all in a form factor you can carry in one hand. It's perfect for gamers, creators, and professionals who need serious power in a compact, stylish package. If you want a small PC that performs like a giant, this is it. Thanks for watching TapTech, where we bring you reviews that are simple, clear, and to the point. Be sure to subscribe for more honest and detailed tech reviews coming soon.